very happy. So, for part 2, now we are going to the soda machine, which is afar. It's kind of expensive. It's like $2. I'm like, damn. For a soda? Probably because it's like a bottle. But who knows? Bottles are bad for the environment. Bottles are bad for the environment because they are plastic. Hit that subscribe button so I can help save the turtles and the sea life of trash, and to help us go full on paper, if you agree. I mean, plastic will be there, but like, just will. Oh, what time is it? Like 7:30? Damn. I mean, I think as me recording a video, I don't think I'm able to like over the railing we go. Here, this is the mystical soda machine. It took me forever to come to, but don't you worry. It is time for my soda. Now, I'm gonna need you to put you down here so that you do not see my credit card information. Hold on. We'll see if this is all for nothing. Come on, credit card. Come on out. Come on out. Do you accept it? Damn it. Where does it? Damn. Oh, hold on. No, I have $8. That's a scam. No. No. We have some very, very sad and unfortunate news. 1, it does not accept card. And 2, I'm very thirsty and craving a soda. Which is very, very sad and unfortunate. There's a gnat on me. Get off me. That gnat don't deserve to be on such appearance. You caused me pain today. Damn. Oh, hold on. Maybe we could get lucky. Get some change in there. Come on. Come on. Damn, I thought I felt something. Hold on. Oh, I heard something. Hold on. Hold on. A quarter came out. This just may work. Hold on. I heard another quarter. Come on, 2 more. Ooh, jackpot. I win. Somehow I won. I won. Maybe. Hold on. I can get my soda now. Hold on. Hold on. My credit card information. Give me my dollar. Accept my bill. Hey! That's not nice. I said, accept my bill. Why? Why? You see, it is a dollar bill. Why is it not accepting my dollar bill? I said accept the bill. Let's go! Wait, why does it say I have $1? I put it, you saw me put in 4 quarters, right? Hey, I want my money back. Hey, it didn't give me everything back. It gave me a nickel. What? Give me a nickel. Some other bullshit. Come on. This is annoying. Right in here. I gotta get in this. Get inside this crevice to get my coins back. I have my quarters and a nickel here. Come on. I will get my damn. Another quarter. I finally got out of here. Come on. And another quarter. That's 3 quarters. Come on. Ooh. Yes, I got my money back. Come on. I'm gonna like have broken fingers by the time I'm done with this. It still says that there's $1 in here. Come on. Come on. This is very sad. Unfortunate. On my fingers to go through some trauma here. Oh. I need like 1 more quarter. Yay. Nice. Okay. Ooh! It's working. Let's go! I win! Hold on. Y'all pick. What should I get? Damn. How about that? Sold out. Let's get it. I won. I got my soda. $1.50 is what I got back. That's kind of cool. This machine's messed up. But hey! Actually, $1.55 somehow gave me a nickel when I pressed my coin return for my $1. But it said that I still had my $1 in there, which is kind of funny. But hey! I got my soda, so let's get it. I'm thirsty. Come on. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This machine's just built different. Well, goodbye, young Padawans. Damn, this is like 9 minutes long. You know what, let's make it 10 minutes, because why not? You just see me drink this soda for like, and heading home. You just see me drink my soda. I'm trying to forget nothing. No, I'm good. That $1 bill was weighing me down anyways. This is pretty buzz. Not sponsored, obviously. I'm not having any room for dinner. Hoo-ah. Damn. I'm tired. Because I remembered earlier how I put change in there, and I forgot about it. So it wouldn't give it to me back. So I got angry. So I started slamming my fist on that. I got my change back. Because I remember I was short, but I thought I had enough. But nah, I was short, so I got it back. Somehow I got an extra 50 cents, but hey, it don't matter. Got a soda though. Damn, who drew that? That is a pretty good drawing. Obviously not sponsored. If that was a sponsor. You know, once you see an object, so it is a sin not to backflip off of one. But today I am a normal child. It just so happened to want a damn cherry Pepsi, but it was sold out, so I just had to get the regular one, not the diet. This diet is bad for you and me. At least that's what I heard. But I can't believe that my adventures for the going to the vending machine number 2 would be this long, because right where number 1 ended, it was just like right there. We were like halfway through the parking lot to get to the vending machine anyways, so I just don't I'm almost done too. I don't know if it's a good idea to drink Pepsi at this time of day. Ooh, my belly! My belly does not like me right now for some reason. Say hello to the camera over there. Where is it? Where is the camera? Wherever the camera is. Oh, yeah, there you are. Hi, camera. Whoever's watching, subscribe to Next34. Thank you very much. Hopefully you guys could see that camera there. I don't deserve this. I think eat a bit of dribbles. But yeah. Don't worry about that, I'll pick that up. You'll see me go around later on, but like my belly. Ooh. And no, I do not have a 6-pack, so you do not need a 6-pack to do flips, by the way. I've seen a guy jump like the littlest on the ground and still landed a double backflip. I saw that on YouTube Shorts. It surprised me. You know, if you got to this point in the video, congratulations. You are a true fan. Yeah, look at this man. I want a motorcycle like that. That's kind of cool. Just jamming out. Of course, wearing a helmet, not like him, which is very dangerous. But yeah, so life is difficult for him, I presume. Oh, 7:59 right now. Damn, 15 minutes I've been recording. Jeez. Yeah, I started hearing the crickets. My belly. Ooh. He's not happy with me. Oh. Okay, stay tuned for the next one of me walking home. This is kind of fun. Just gonna let you know that. It's kind of fun. Nighttime walks with Wyvern X34. Okay. See y'all in part 3.